back, FGT community. Welcome to Wide Body Tuesdays. Every Tuesday, we bring you wide body plane spotting videos from around the U.S. We're going to actually do a 4-part series of Dreamliners from Imperial Hill at LAX. Today's video, it's all about Aeromexico and LATAM Dreamliners at LAX. All video was taken on May 26, 2024. If you'd like to see heavies live from LAX, come join us in our next live stream from LAX on Friday, November 15th, 2024.
Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
Sounds like we got our permission to take off. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened, sit back, and enjoy Aeromexico and LATAM Dreamliners at LAX.
Subscribe now.
Please make sure that all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away.
Well, on that note, it's time for us to stow away our electronics. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at AvGeekTours for daily photos, as well as our website, avgeektours.com, to see our upcoming trips. The links are in the description below. Join us again next time as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy spotting.